Hello everyone. So welcome back to this video. So in previous video we have seen about the basic uh, variable thing, right? So in this video we'll be seeing about uh, the intermediate part of a variable. So how to print a variable using some keywords. Okay. So we will be seeing in this part. Okay. Now I have a variable called a which contains the value of 20, another variable called b which contains the value of 25, another variable called c which contains the operation of a plus b. Okay, like a plus b, a variable contains the 20, so 20 will be here, and b contains value of 25, 25 will be here. So now if I add these two things, it will return me a 45, so 45 will be saved in c. Okay, so now I need to print the thing. Okay, so print. So how to print some like if you take C programming or anything else, you'll be having the statement called printf or system dot in Java system dot out dot println, like that. So in Python you will be having the statement of print to print some outputs, like. So in JavaScript we will be printing the output in the format, that means output console format. So what does the console does is it will be returning some message in the format of output. Okay, so that's keyword is console console.log. Okay, so this is the keyword to print uh, anything, so print the output. Okay, so now if I print C, okay, I'll be giving the C variable name here. So print C, if I click console.log inside the brackets, if I give the C, if I click enter, you might note that it returned me something value, some values, right? It returned me a 45 because 20 plus 25 equals to 45, which is stored in C, and it is returned me by consoling the value. Okay, this is how console has done. Okay, like that we can get the input from the user and can display it using console.log. Let us see. Okay, that's why we have an keyword called prompt. So prompt helps us to get an input from the user. Okay, we'll be creating a variable name called a. Okay, then we will be using a prompt. This is like a scan of or scanner kind of thing which scans the input from the user. Okay, so we'll be having the prompt here, right? And I will be asking for the input. What input I might ask now is to ask to enter the value of a. Okay, enter the value of a. Okay, so then after I'm getting the value will be stored in a variable. Then I will be consoling the thing, that means printing the output of a. Okay, if I click enter, you might see there is an prompt box asking us the data of an a, that means value of an a, to enter the value of a. Okay, if I enter the value or call any value like 50. Okay, if I click ok, you can see it consoled me 50. Okay, it's stored in a, and after consoling the thing, after printing the thing, it returned me 50. Okay, this is how we will be getting the input from the user and we will be consoling the thing. So now we will be getting the two values here. Okay, like a and b. Okay, sorry, now I'll be clearing this thing. Okay, okay, now I'll be asking for a b variable. So enter the value of b, and we will be doing the operations in console.log. Okay, in the console.log itself. Okay, now it will be printing the direct value. That means if I'm getting some value for a and if I'm getting a value for b, it will be operated. That means the operation will be done here using the operands and it will be printed. Okay, if I click enter, so you can see enter the value of a. So I'm giving 10 now. Okay, so again it will ask me to enter the value of b. So if I click 20, so okay, 20 and okay, if I click ok, you can see 10 plus 20, because I'm getting the input as in the format of string. That's why it doesn't react as well as in the format of number. That means as well as in the format of integer. So that we need to typecast the thing in the format of integer to print it in the form of integer format. So if we doesn't do that, it will be printed in the format of string. Okay. Let us see what's the type of a variable a. Okay, type of is a keyword to check what is the type of a variable. Okay, that means if the type of the variable is string in format, if type of the uh, uh, variable is in the number format, we might check using type of operator. That means type of function. Okay, if I enter the a inside a type of, okay, you might note that it return me a in the format of string. So I need to change it to into the format of int. Okay, so that we will be seeing in the next video. Okay, stay tuned.